I find the reflection very easier because we have already studied in class 8. The definition remains the same. The bouncing back, the striking back, the coming back of light after striking a smooth shiny surface. SS surface. This is what the definition we are going to write. Definition. The bouncing back, I would choose the word bouncing. The bouncing back of light after striking a SS surface. SS surface, I am making it simple so that you can learn it. Smooth and shiny surface. So you would technically ask, sir, do these irregular surfaces, those who are not smooth, do they reflect? Technically, if you tell, every surface reflect. That is why they are seen to us. If they would not reflect light, that light would not come to our eye and we were able to visualize the object. But as far as the definition is concerned, we are going to write it the SS surface. And I told you, if they ask you about reflection, write how many types of reflections are there. As you can see, there are two types of reflection. One is, you are going to write one extra point with this 1 mark question. There are two types of reflection. There are two types of reflection. One is called as the regular reflection. Regular, and another is called as irregular reflection. This irregular reflection is also called as diffused reflection because the light gets unparallelly reflected. That is what is called diffused reflection. Okay. Now these are the two types of reflection. So what happens in case of regular reflection? If they ask you about the definition of regular reflection, it is so simple. When parallel beams of light get reflected parallelly, simple again, when parallel beams of light get reflected parallelly, then we tell it as regular reflection. So if you asked about definition, you can write it down. Please make a quick note over here. Parallel beams reflected parallelly. You can also write parallel beams of incident light reflected parallelly, and this is what the definition stands like of the regular reflection, right? So if you take diffuse reflection or irregular reflection, the parallel beams of reflected light parallel beams of incident light reflected haphazardly. Okay, this is what the definition of regular reflection and irregular reflection stands like. So let me tell you a fun fact over here. You can make a quick mark over here, like regular reflection is, remove the is, regular reflection takes place, okay, only and only, this happens exclusively in plane mirrors. If you ask about spherical mirrors, no, in spherical mirrors regular reflection do not take place, though we see your face, but they are not regular reflection. I will tell you why, we will justify it, but from the point of importance of exam, there can be a question. Regular reflection takes place only and only in plane mirrors, okay, or plane reflecting surface. Is it clear? This is one important one because they may not ask you directly, but they may indirectly ask you, do concave lens makes regular reflection? You will find कि concave lens में तो ठीक ठाक दिख जाता है, तो we cannot see your face in the wall which is rough, but you can see your face in a concave mirror. But even though we can see our faces, this is not a regular reflection. देखो simple analysis है, यहाँ पे अगर we are going to take a concave mirror, okay, and we are going to throw some light into it. Suppose let's say these are two parallel lights, they will not go parallelly because they are going to meet at focus, right? Similar case also happens in case of a convex mirror. If you throw it through two parallel lines, it is going to be in this direction, it is going to be in this direction. So they do not compare, they do not reflect back parallelly. So we are going to write regular reflection takes place only in case of plane mirrors. Please write it down so that you do not get confused with the notes, right? And please also name it here regular and irregular. Okay, moving on. Did you understand the reflection, the definition of reflection? There are two types of reflection, regular and irregular. Regular in case of plane mirror only. If also you want to explain with a diagram, we have given two diagrams over here. One is of regular and irregular reflection. Okay.